Welcome to Mountain Valley Real Estate, where you get to virtually walk the property with me so you can get a superior boots on the ground feel for the property. As you can see today, we're starting out at 14,000 feet. This is Mount Shasta, and not enough snow to ski down it. So we are going to take our wingsuit and come off this edge right here. Should be a nice fly down. And then we're going to get to the car. We've got it parked down here somewhere. Anyway, we got to get to Interstate 5. From Mount Shasta in very northern California. Here's Interstate 5. We're going to head south to Redding. A lot of people know where that is. And then we have to go a little further to Cottonwood. It's about 2 hours from the Sacramento airport. And we can head west right to here. Not too far from I-5. We hit this property right here. Front's Quail Ridge Road. This is the paved road. Creek at the back. This is the creek right here. Turn it 3D here so you can see what it looks like. So you're going to be here. I'm going to be walking down this way. This is really nice land down in here. And of course over here. Some good areas in here too. So it's just rolling, not steep at all. Some nice homes in the area. There's power along the road frontage. Pretty cool. Anyway, just wanted to show you that real quick. Let's get back into it. Are you looking for an incredible property with some good elbow room? Perhaps one with a creek running along the back? Welcome to Mountain Valley Real Estate. I'm John, and that's Land Squatch with his bow. Long bow, of course. Anyway, he's my buddy hanging out with me. Seems to follow me around sometimes. Anyway, if you're new here, please watch the video all the way through to help out the old algorithm. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. This is lot 42 on Quail Ridge Road in Cottonwood, California. This is 10 acres, listed at $65,000, and seller financing is not available on this one. You can use a Banner Bank from California. There's quite a few. And I had a property in the same area that's similar, but this is not the same property and it's not the same seller. But the topography will be somewhat similar. So if you saw that video, if you have deja vu, now you know why. Discover this exceptional 10-acre parcel nestled in the scenic Quail Ridge Subdivision. Yes, there are quail here. Lots of other wildlife too, deer, turkey, and little wild piggies. The land features gently rolling terrain dotted with majestic blue oaks. These trees right here, and they will have their leaves in probably about another month. I think they're just starting to bud. You got some mountain views up here too. Situated at an elevation of approximately 580 to 650 feet, snowfall would be extremely rare here. And there is a seasonal creek that we're headed down to, and it meanders through the back of the property. I did mark the frontage, approximate road frontage, with pink tape. This creek adds a soothing, natural ambiance with its gentle sights and sounds. The captivating landscape offers both privacy and tranquility. An ideal setting for your dream home. The property is served by power nearby. I think the neighbor has power right there at the street. And you have paved road frontage for year-round access. There are some covenants, conditions, and restrictions. If you'd like a copy of the CCRs, covenants, conditions, restrictions, simply send me an email through my website, mountainvalleyland.com. There is also an HOA fee of approximately $350 to maybe $400 at the most for helping out with the road maintenance. There are different levels of HOA restrictions for each HOA. They could, you could have a HOA with a gated community and a guard, and you can't get through without passing through the guard gate. That would be on the extreme end, I would think. And then there's more relaxed ones. There's no gated, community thing here with a guard and all that stuff. And the property is about 12 miles from the holiday market in Cottonwood, California, if you want some major groceries and stuff like that. So not very far. My cell works great here. The property taxes are just over 1% of the assessed value per year. And the zoning is R1, which is a residential zoning. Great for your stick-built house, manufactured home, that kind of thing. And the property taxes are just over 1% of the assessed value per year. So as you can see, the bottom half of this property, about halfway in now, and it's mostly to our left. As you look at the map, pretty much all flat. Creek's back here, which I want to show you. It's pretty cool. A lot of fun land to play around on down here. There's a little creek, but that's not the one I want to show you. This is the creek I want to show you. Pretty cool, huh? Listen to that. Ooh-wee. You can see creek on the property there and some on the other side. Got a small sandy beach right there. Got some prints in there. Looks like deer. Looks flat for miles. Of course, property isn't that long, but it's a big piece. 10 acres is quite a bit. Let's see how much creek frontage all this is on, it looks like. Keep in mind this map in the red is approximate. You can have a surveyor out if you want. Yeah, that's a lot of creek frontage. Somewhere right here, maybe. Looks like you get some of that property on the side. But yeah, it goes way up there. Like, this is the property too. So all that. Let's go over here and look a little bit. Property is like a pie shape, so you get a ton at the back here. Just a big wide swath. I'm trying to walk around this small pond here. So yeah, your creek frontage is pretty much just back there. You get these beautiful trees. Like I said, they're just getting their leaves pretty soon, another month. Wow. Yeah, we got, I don't know if you can see that, but they're budding right there. So To wrap this up, I have to say this is a pretty cool property. Rolling topography is really nice, and then it's got, looks like half of it's pretty flat. Back half. I love the creek. Yes, it's going to be seasonal, but when it's going, it's going to be incredible. Feels really good out here. I love the tree to open ground ratio. So you don't have any massive thick brush. You just have trees growing up and then open space, grasses, some flowers, sure a few weeds here and there, of course. So yeah, power nearby. This one's definitely on the check it out list, that's for sure. If you like this property, check out that one right there, or this one over here. One more look at that incredible creek. Wow, land squatch, look at those legs, jeez, amazing.